I've been able to claim a $10 no deposit bonus, and I'll be showing you how you can claim yours as well. Just make sure you follow me to the end of this video so you don't miss out on the details that I'll be showing you. Also, if you know this is the first time of you coming across this channel, make sure you like, you share, you comment, you subscribe, and most importantly, turn on your notification button so you don't miss out on details that I'll be dropping, because I'll be dropping videos on no deposit bonus, profit, and how you can make money online in 2025. And also, we're dropping the link to my Telegram channel. Make sure you join so you don't miss out on updates and details that I'll be dropping on Telegram channel, because I drop videos often even before I bring them to YouTube. So to get the link to the bonus, all you have to do is just click on the link that will be in the description of this video. It will take you to my Telegram channel. Once you get there, all you have to do is just click on join. After clicking on join, then you click on the link that will take you to the bonus. Then after clicking on it, it will bring you to this web page right here. All you have to do is just click on connect with Google right here. That's what you'll be clicking on, connect with Google right here, just to create an account with them. Then after clicking on connect with Google right there, to take you to the next part where you have to put in your details. You'll be basically opening an account with them, so you put in your details. So after creating an account with them, then they'll be sending you a pin to your email to confirm the email and the phone number you've specified in the previous test. So all you have to do is just go to your email. They would have sent you the pin, then you copy and paste here. So after getting the pin, all you have to do is just paste the pin. After copying it, then you click on continue. Then after clicking on continue, to take you to the next part, which is verifying our account. If you not verify this account, you will not be able to get the bonus. So as you can see shown on the screen, it's showing that we've not verified our phone number yet and our profile has not been verified. So we'll be clicking on the first one, which is to verify our phone number. All you have to do is just click on verify now. After clicking on verify now, you scroll down, then right at this part here, you click on at least 18 years old right here. You click on that. So after clicking on continue, make sure the number you'll be dropping, it's a WhatsApp number. They'll be sending you the verification through your WhatsApp or SMS. So you get the code and you come here, paste the code and click on continue. So after getting the code, all you have to do is just paste the code and you click on continue. Then after clicking on continue, as you can see, our phone has been verified. So now all we have to do is just click on the next verification, which is our profile. That's our personal identification, where we have to upload a picture of our personal identification. So here, as you can see, click on upload here. Click on upload. Then I want to upload that's the personal identification type. You select the type you want to upload, which is either your passport, your national ID, or driving license. So you click on it. So this is me after my account has been verified. As you can see shown on the screen, your profile is verified. So yes, now let's dive in on how we can get the bonus. Just make sure you follow me to the end of this video. So after that, all you have to do is just click on the menu button right here. Then you'll be clicking on accounts. Under accounts, you click on open live account. So after clicking on it, to take you to the next phase. Yeah, as you can see, then we'll be selecting type, that's which is MT5 free 10 NDB Pro. That's the bonus we'll be clicking on. Don't click on MT5 30 bonus because that one's require deposit. So we're going with the 10 no deposit bonus. Then you click on it, click on the leverage 1:500, the currency USD. As you can see, these are the details concerning the bonus showing on the screen. So after that, you click on continue, then take it to the next part, which is this. Then you click on continue. Then after clicking on continue, as you can see, the account has been successfully created. So here you scroll down, you will see your login details that you'll be using to trade in your MetaTrader 5. As you can see, there's secure login, that's your ID, the server, 55 live, the leverage, this is your password, and the currency. I covered mine because of security purpose. So as you can see, so now the next thing we need to do is just to head into our MetaTrader 5 with our login details showing on the screen. And for those of you that don't know how to open the MetaTrader 5, I'll be showing you after getting to your MetaTrader 5. And after that, you click on manage account, click on the plus sign to search for the name of the broker, which is then you search for the name of the broker, which is Saracen Market. As you can see screen on the screen, Saracen Market. You click on it. Then you go ahead to add in your login details. Then as you can see, the server is Saracen Market Live. So I'll put in my login details and get back to the video. So this is me after putting my login details. You click on login, then you wait patiently for the to load. And as you can see, going under trade, this is my balance, the $10 no deposit bonus that you can use to start trading with. All you have to do is just go to your chart, place a market on each of the pair that you want to place market with, and you can start trading with peace. Don't forget, then the terms and conditions applied in making withdrawals is you have to trade with 5 lot size. You have to make use of 5 lot size to trade, and the minimum and maximum withdrawal you can make from this bonus is $20. You can't withdraw your bonus, but you can withdraw your profits. And make sure you open at least 5 minutes of trade. So thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to share, like, you comment from where you are watching from so I can drop a video for your country, and most importantly you subscribe so you don't miss the update I'll be dropping, because I'll be dropping videos on Forex no deposit bonus, crypto talks, and how you can make money online in 2025.